So this morning we're at our stealth camp just beyond the Mahoosuc Notch. Gonna go up the arm this morning, then head on over towards, I think it's East B Hill Road, which will take us to the Andover. Just thought I'd show you this nice little creek we were at. Here's us unsuccessfully trying to dry our clothes. I had to build a little tripod. For some reason, there seem to be no dead trees around here, or ones with dead branches to hang stuff from. Didn't work very well because there's so much mist coming off of the water, but sort of a mess of a campsite before we pack it all up. Random's just processing water for the day, and we're tearing stuff down, so we will see you as we head up the hill. Okay guys, good morning. Again, I'm just going to show you a quick shot of the path because yesterday, of course, this would have been a torrent of water with a deluge that we were having, and we made a very difficult decision to stop at a little tent site, which you guys saw. This was very nice, but when frankly we needed to put miles in. But coming up this in a torrent of water would not have been safe or wise. And we understood that the shelter was swamped, which we may or may not see as we go by it. So I think, we made the best decision yesterday by just sucking it up, going down, taking care of business, having a good dinner. This morning we had good breakfast, got everything squared away, and then today we'll go for the miles that we missed. And we'll take it for what it is. Boy, I hope the trail stays like this, because even though it's steep, it is easy to climb.
Ooh, good morning, sunshine.
This is the view from less than 0.1 to the summit of Mahoosuc Arm. You can see the clouds down in the valley over here. It's pretty. That is pretty, huh? Not as spectacular as New Hampshire, but pretty. Look at the tiers and tiers and tiers of mountains. I wonder what that is. I'll bet it is Mount Washington. Look at that thing just loom out there. They had said from the top of Mahoosuc Arm, I think you could look back and see Washington and some of the presidentials. Maybe that whole line there. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It's clearer. And I think those are. Wow. Okay. We've gone a long way, guys. There is Random taking her last steps up onto the summit of the Mahoosuc Arm.
What river is that?
Which I assume is the Mahoosuc Mountain. Oh my God, look at that beautiful, with the clouds and the shadows back there. You probably can't see it because the sun's behind me. Oh, too bad. I'm just gonna show you. Look around. It doesn't look like you can see anything, but man, it is really cool out here. Yeah, it doesn't look like the camera, I can't tell, but it doesn't look like the camera's picking anything up, but let me just tell you. That's pretty spectacular. Okay, we're gonna catch our breath here for a minute, adjust, because we're gonna be range running down through here, and we actually doesn't look like we have a huge drop in elevation, so I think we're gonna be running the ridge here for a bit, and that is like for 2.2 miles, it looked like. So here we go. Okay, this is Speck Pond.
There's enough of them.
Sit out here for a couple hours and enjoy the day then, huh?
Yep. And they come around and go out over there.
Oh, well, that's
Not at the summit, but going up Speck Mountain. That's how we came that way. From the arm. And then the pond. So that is not Speck Pond because there are houses on it. So Speck Pond is probably in between those two right there. Although funny, we were on a big granite outcrop looking this way and we could see it, and yet looking back you would think you'd see it, but we don't see it.
Is that it directly across? No, because I remember those windmills. No,
I mean, there's the only granite we see is over there. Maybe we came across there like that. All right, well, you know, I know where we're going. See that? That's where we're going. That's Speck Mountain.
Did you come up this way?
I did. Yeah, those rocks are really grippy. Put your right foot up there and you'll be happy.
My shoes are.
You're okay. See that? Look at you, like a friggin' mountaineer. Like a billy goat.
Uh-huh. Really good. It's just...
This is the view going up Speck Mountain. Well, this is the view from up Speck Mountain. That's the view going up Speck Mountain. Oh yeah. Yeah. Still coming down off of Old Speck. Look at that.
I can stand under that for about 15 minutes and I'd be happy.
Oh yeah, that's swimming right there. Man, that's a swim hole. This is awesome. All right.
Pretty spot.
So this is Bigglesworth, and we met up on what's it, Old Speck Mountain, coming down, and she's a 2008 thru-hiker who's done what is it, 100 and...
That was 114 of 115 of the
Yeah.
Northeast 111 today.
Is that amazing?
One more to go.
That is amazing. So, and she brought us down to Bethel here in Maine, and so we seriously appreciate it.
Oh,
thank you so
gladly.
much. Thank you.
Happy hiking.
Okay,
Thank you. Bigglesworth, I kept